Found a 1986 Sportster, cheap, in pieces. Although it doesn't look like it's been terribly chopped into or anything, looks pretty much whole and stock. So I am headed about 2 hours away. Contacted the person who has it listed on Marketplace. Well, we made it. We're dealing with somebody that's super awesome guy. Sadly, paid a little too much for his bike and got in a little over his head, I'm afraid. We went in and made a deal, and we're gonna take it home. And he's even gonna help me load it. So you wanna talk about how cool people are. You know, they're good people out here in this world, and sometimes you get to deal with them. 1986 XLH 1200. It's not a 1200 custom, but it is a 1200, so we're happy. It didn't go apart. Well, there it is. We got her done. 1986 1200, which I was expecting it to be an 883, but we got ourselves a 1200 Sportster, and it is rough, man. Somebody has had their fingers in this one, didn't know diddle. I'm telling you. We're gonna head it on to the house, and I'll get you a picture of me unloading it. Bucket full of random parts, coffee can full of random parts. That's a carburetor, extra seat, backrest, battery cover, battery box. I mean, she is far from perfect, my friends. What are we gonna do now? Let you on a big surprise I found out when I got home. It says 86 on the title, but it says 88 on the neck. And I'm afraid that's about a $2,000 difference in value. So thought we got a good deal. We just about bought it for what it's worth. Together, we're gonna find out if this son of a gun is even gonna flip and run. We'll find out together.